our smart society materializes, cloud is becoming an inevitable choice for the digital transformation of enterprises. The coming decade is the era of Cloud 2.0. The cloud has been catering to the needs of enterprises instead of the other way around. Enterprises have become the leading role in cloudification. By 2025, all enterprises are expected to be using cloud technologies, and more than 85% of enterprise applications to be deployed on the cloud. As a world-leading ICT solution provider, Huawei possesses superiority in cloud computing, servers, and storage. The many years of experience and expertise have culminated in Huawei Cloud, a platform committed to providing reliability, openness, and global services. Huawei Cloud respects customers' data assets, offers full-stack cloud security solutions with chip-level security assurance, and has been certified by many authorities. Huawei Cloud fully supports mainstream open-source ecosystems. The public cloud and private cloud use a unified architecture, which allows producing genuine hybrid clouds while also protecting customer investments. Huawei has support teams in over 170 countries and regions. These teams provide complete cloud service solutions from consultation, design and verification to implementation and operation. Huawei strives to build an open, cooperative and mutually symbiotic cloud ecosystem, providing a healthy basis for the future intelligent ICT ecosphere and driving continuous industrial and social improvement. By joining hands with partners, Huawei guarantees the migration of enterprises to the cloud. The Cloud 2.0 era will trigger profound social changes. Always putting customers first and focusing on the ICT infrastructure, Huawei is dedicated to providing innovative cloud services and solutions and avidly promoting cloud ecosystem construction. Forge a bright future together. Huawei Cloud, enabling the intelligent world, bridging today to tomorrow.